Effect of greenhouse gases to environment. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space, and the rest is absorbed and irradiated by the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and some artificial chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. This process maintains the Earth's temperature at around 33 degrees Celsius, warmer than it would be otherwise be, allowing life on Earth to exist. The problem we now face is that human activity, particularly burning fossil fuel, agriculture, and land clearing, are increasing the concentration of greenhouse gases. This is the enhanced greenhouse effect, which is contributing to the warming of the Earth. Step 1. Solar radiation reaches the Earth's atmosphere. Some of it is reflected back into the space. Step 2. The rest of the sun energy is absorbed by the land and the ocean, heating the Earth. Step 3. Heat radiates from Earth towards space. Step 4. Some of this heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, keeping the Earth warm enough to sustain life. Step 5. Human activities such as burning fossil fuel, agriculture, and land clearing are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases releasing into the atmosphere. Step 6. This is trapping extra heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Consequences of the greenhouse effect. Thawing of glacial masses. Glacial retreat also has its own consequences. Reduced albedo, the percentage of solar radiation that the Earth's surface reflects or returns to the atmosphere. A global rise in sea level and the release of large methane column are only some of them. However, they are all dramatic for the planet. Flooding of island and the coastal city. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, during the period of 1901 to 2010, the global average sea level rose 19 centimeters. It is estimated that by 21,000 years, the sea level will be between 15 to 90 centimeters higher than it is now and will threaten 92 million people. Hurricane will be more devastating. The intensification of the greenhouse effect does not cause the extreme climate event, but it does increase the intensity. Hurricane formations are connected with the sea temperature. They only form over water that have a temperature for at least 26.51 degrees Celsius. Migration of the species. Many animal species will be forced to migrate in order to survive the changes in the main climatic patterns altered by the progressive increase in temperature. Human beings will also have to move. According to the World Bank, by 2050, the number of people forced to flee their homes due to the extreme drought or violent flood could reach 140 million. Desertification of fertile area. Global warming is also having a profound impact on the processes of soil degradation and is contributing to the desertification of area on the planet, a phenomenon that destroys all the biological potential of affected regions, turning them into barren and unproductive land. As recognized by the UN on the occasion of the World Day to Combat Desertification in 2018, 30% of the land has been degraded and lost its real value. Impact on agriculture and livestock. Global warming has already altered the length of the growing season in large part of the planet. Similarly, changes in temperature and seasons are influencing the proliferation of insects, invasive weeds, and disease that can affect crops. The same is happening with livestock. Climatic changes are directly impacted important species in multiple ways: reproduction, metabolism, disease, and etc. Thank you.